Today I'm going to talk to you about Roadsknz products. This is Rob with the Trucking Resources channel, and one of the products that I have on my truck that I really love is the Roadsknz tank wraps. I also have a couple other things on the truck that was bought from them because I really love them as a company. I met them a few years ago at Mid-American Truck Show in Louisville, which, by the way, we are 32 days from the next Mid-American Truck Show, and I can't wait for it. So over the course of the last couple of years, I bought a few things from them. I'll talk to you first about the tank wraps, the stainless tank wraps. So I asked them what the process was, and these are actually stick-on tank wraps. And what I did is I called them up, and he took down all the info. He had me get out, do some measuring on the truck, between the seam on the outside of the tank and then the strap, and then in between the two straps, and all that. Where it wanted to know exactly the measurement of where my where my tank fill is, and he sent me out the tank wraps. They also sold me the tank covers for each end. He said he has somebody locally there that makes them for him, and I've got no complaints. I love them. I love that they don't stick way over like a lot of tank wraps do. They only stick a little bit over. It also came with a stainless steel clamp that goes around it, so once you get the end caps on, you put that on to hold them on, and really holds them on strong. The process of putting it on is actually pretty easy. You have to sand down your tanks a bit, and then you wipe it with alcohol, and then you stick them on, and they do not come off. There is no way. You have to make sure you have it exactly right. I also got covers for the tank straps. So the stainless, the straps are stainless, but the stainless covers that he gives you are shinier yet. So they always look good. At the same time, because this is a Peterbilt, I have the air tanks on the side that are always such a pain. I got wraps for that also, and the straps that go on that. They usually have just the U-bolt that goes around it. Well, these are like U-bolt straps. Makes it look real nice. So they were pretty easy to put on too. About the same as the tanks. I had to take the U-bolts off, put the wrap on, and then put the straps on, and easy peasy, it was all done. The next product, so actually the very first thing I bought from them was my hood ornament. And the hood ornament, again, being a Peterbilt, the problem is you put them hood ornaments on and they're not strong enough to open the hood. Every time you open the hood, you risk breaking it. Well, this actually comes with a hood pull on the bottom of it. And it's very nice. It's just a base for the hood ornament. Obviously, this was for the 379. I also just looking at his website, I know he has it for the 389. A lot of people think the 379 and 389 are the same hood, but it's not. The 389 has a little bit of slope just right on the grill. You almost can't even notice it, but you can't have the flat base hood pull. So they have another one that kind of angles down a little bit for that one. And I actually just saw, as I was looking through his website, they have them for, have the hood pulls and the bases for the 579 Peterbilts. And that's pretty cool, because obviously that's a pretty sloped hood, and, to make it straight, angled it down a bit. Now let me tell you about these emblems I bought. I actually just bought these last year at the Mid-American Truck Show. These are just stickers that go over the emblems, but they're not just regular stickers. All you got to do is clean it off, make sure it's stuck on right, but they are thick. It is thick. I don't know what you call that, but like molded, but very nice hood emblems. They have them in all kinds of different colors. I got blue because my truck is black and blue is the theme of the truck. So I put them on there. But I recommend you go to Roadsknz.com. Feel free to give them a call. If you meet them at Mid-American, they are a world of knowledge. There's a lot of people working there. They have a lot of different products that they sell, and they definitely will take care of you pretty good. They also sell, and I'd like to get some at some point, they sell pedal covers, and they have custom pedal covers. They have custom pedal covers. They can put your name on it. It can just say Peterbilt, it can say Kenworth, it can say nothing, chrome. They have a few different styles. Next thing I'd like to get from them is something for my steps. I can only do so much at a time because stainless is expensive. And I'd like to get something for the steps. But their photo gallery, they have a photo gallery of just all kinds of stuff they do. I've seen that they put some mud flaps, actually like stainless mud flaps on the back of a truck, headache rack covers. The APUs, you know, APUs are kind of ugly on the trucks. And, you know, especially if you want a show truck or you're chromed up, APUs just are pretty ugly. And he makes some covers for them. And again, I recommend you go on to Roadsknz.com. I'll put it down here because it's ROADSKNZ. And check out their website. The pictures, you know, the gallery, everything they have is just incredible. So, hey, thanks for watching this. And yeah, definitely check out Roadsknz. And I'll be back to you soon with some more products.